Hi, in this video I am gonna show you how to clean up your disk space in Windows 11. So let's get started. At first, search for disk cleanup. Okay, open disk cleanup app. Now select drive you want to clean up. Okay. Now select the files you want to delete. Okay, then click on OK. Delete the files permanently, all of your unnecessary files. Okay, again open disk cleanup and then select drive, and now clean up system files, then select C drive. Okay, this will take a while. Okay, now select the files you want to delete. Okay, now click on OK and delete files permanently. You can free up space of your C drive using run. Okay, open run. Okay, and then type the name of a program, type prefetch and then click on OK. Now continue. Okay, now select all and then delete all of the files using shift delete from keyboard, then hit enter. Okay, now search again, run and then delete temporary files. So enter the program name temp. Now select all and then shift delete, then click on yes. Now open run application again and then use this command. Okay, now select all and then shift delete. And see the space of your local disk C. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.